everyone, my name is Clea Faith A. Magadja, and this story is all about my life journey. Along the way, I also want to share with you what I've learned in understanding the self that helped me grow, reflect, and discover who I really am. In understanding the self, I realized that this relates to physical and social self of our body. Na ang mga nakapaligid o ang mga taong nakakasalamuhan natin ay naghuhubog kung paano at kung sino ang magiging tayo in the future. As a teenager, I also faced challenges, struggle, and pressure. Lalo na nung nag-high school ako, kung saan nag-aral ako sa Elias A. Salvador National High School. Dito ko naranasan kung paano magduda sa sarili, kung saan ba ako magaling. Lalo na nung pagpili pa lamang sa strand na kukunin ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magaling o saan ako mag-excel in the future. And I believe this connects in the Erik Erikson called this struggle identity versus role confusion. Pero I think na itong confusion na ito is naghuhubog sa atin o sa sarili ko kung sino talaga ako in the future. My journey wasn't always smooth. May mga kinakaharap din akong struggle sa buhay, lalo na nung high school life ko, where academic pressure, failures, and marami pang iba. And I believe that this connects with self-esteem, self-efficiency, na mas lalo pang maghuhubog sa ating sarili. Hindi lang dahil sa nag-fail ka, is kailangan mo nang sumuko sa buhay. Itong mga failure na ito ang magiging magiging daan para mag-success ka sa buhay. Okay? I learned that believing in self will help you improve yourself even in failures. Mas lalo kang titibay sa mga pagkakataong ito. Now in my college journey, I think na mas kailangan pa natin lumabas sa ating comfort zone sa mga nakasanayan natin to improve ourselves para mas makilala pa natin who we really are and what are we capable of. Ngayon na nasa college life na ako, my journey was really shocking. Sobrang na-culture shock ako sa mga unang linggo. But, kailangan ko rin naman lumabas sa aking comfort zone, sa nakasanayan, para mas lalo ko pang makilala ang sarili ko at sa mga kakayahan na maaari kong mailabas in the future. But then, I started seeing the gap between my ideal self and my real self. A concept from Carl Rogers, but instead of being discouraged, I realized that growth means working to close that gap. And then, the Johari window also taught me the self-awareness and feedback from others are key to improving ourselves. My journey doesn't stop there. I want to become a successful registered nurse. Pero, alam ko sa sarili ko na marami akong challenges and struggle na mararanasan. Pero, sa tulong ng understanding the self and sa self-awareness ko na din, ay alam ko na makakayanan ko ito. Lalakad ako. To end this video, I realized that understanding myself is a lifelong journey. But in understanding the self, I realized that my past shaped me, my present defined me, and my future self is ano. To end this video, I realized that understanding myself is a lifelong journey. In understanding the self, it states that my past shaped me, my present defined me, and my future depends on how I can continue to grow. That's all. Thank you for watching.